Hey guys, thanks for tuning into VTV today. Today's content is a little bit unfortunate and different than my normal content. It's not about van life, but it's about my neighbor's house catching on fire today. So luckily everyone's okay, and thanks to the Yuma Fire Department for being swift and getting on top of it, because it is a horribly windy day today, and it was one house over for me and it was blowing directly at our home. So we're super thankful they got it out. So enjoy today's footage. Oh, I smelled something outside and the neighbor came over, and the house next door is on fire. Oh my God. They sprayed it. I don't know if they got most of it out, or these guys were spraying it with water. Yeah, they had a hose up there spraying it. Yeah, I came outside a few. Yeah, same. I came outside and smelled smoke too, and then she knocked on the door and said the neighbor's house on fire. I told Richard, because I went back to bed. Richard's like, I smell smoke. I go, yeah, me too. This one, the red car. I know. I thought it was Deborah's house because, I started running over there. I thought maybe she was in the house and it was on fire because she lives by herself. Yeah, they had the guys that lived there pulled a hose out and started blasting it down. So I'm hoping they got control of it before it got out of control. They were spraying like this corner of the Arizona or extension add-on part right there. So. Hey girl, how are you, cutie?
Nobody's there?
I saw her walk earlier this morning, but usually she has another counter.
Oh yeah, it's still smoking. I see it come down the road. Here comes the ladder truck, another one. Three fire trucks. Can you please get this one out? It's too windy today. Could get really bad, yeah. God, poor thing. She's just been back here a few weeks, hasn't she? God, I told you I smelled something. I feel bad I didn't go out and investigate more, but it was so windy. I told Richard, I go, something's burning outside. It ain't no campfire. It smelled like electrical, Yeah, this one right here with the red car. Yeah. So see this little eave right here that comes out? They were spraying right there with a hose up in there. So I'll look over where Richard is. Oh, she was in there. Oh my gosh. She was in the house. She was in there.
Well, we think somebody
She was in the
there.
house?
Yeah.
Oh,
But I
bless
went,
your heart.
No, we didn't find her. But we
No,
went-
but I mean, you started spraying the house.
Yeah, then the other neighbor here, he got on the hose, and I went and knocked on all the windows, trying to find out. And
God, I came outside and I was like, I told Richard, I go, something's burning, but it's so windy. I just thought it was somewhere in town. I had no idea it was right next door. We went back in the house and Richard's like, no, something's really burning. And
I walked out. Why is the smoke right here and not here? And I walked out on the street and looked at the whole front. Back where the firemen are. It was
Yeah.
in flames, but it wasn't spreading. It didn't seem to go bad.
Oh, with as windy as it is, it would only take a minute,
Well,
you know.
His neighbor here, Ben Youngster, he was able, he knocked the flames down pretty good. There was still flames inside.
Oh my gosh, good for him. Yeah, and his wife came over and knocked on our door and said, the house next door's on fire. Whoa, I wonder what caught on fire.
It looks like it's electrical.
Electrical? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, 'cause I think
Right?
what's that? I don't know.
It's in that corner right there.
Don't pull it on the ceiling and the walls. The whole
Yeah.
thing. My Hampshire firefighter.
Oh yeah.
About it.
Oh, I can still see something in there. Oh yeah. That's it. Yeah, that's what drew our attention to it too.
Oh, there's got so much damage.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, she was inside. She came walking out her bathroom.
Where's the homeowner?
She didn't even know. She's in a white bathroom.
White bathroom.
Yeah, exactly. And it's windy today. And the wind's blowing towards our house. That's what makes it all the scarier.
That thing goes up in flames and all these are going to go down.
Oh, don't even say that.
It will. I'm telling you what happened.
Yeah, well, I'm lucky they're all here right now.
They're trying to get out with the hoses.
That's what I said. Get that damn car out of here. That's probably what they're doing. Keep the probably inside.
Somehow.
What? Oh, okay. It is windy and you can see the trees. Usually it's blowing directly towards our home, so super thankful for these guys today.
Neighbor's house is caught on fire.
See that, Richard? Sorry, up in your way. I'm trying to get in between the pools.
Yeah, we move all the time. I mean, as far as the man, a lot of them. So during the winter, we spend that area. 6 months to head back up east.
Just glad we're safe. Glad this lady's safe. Sad about her house though, man.
To me, I figured it could be mine here.
Yeah, exactly. Us too, right? The way the wind's blowing
The
is
way
not
Andy's
giving
house
us
is down here.
comfort. Yeah.
Wind gets blowing here, but you got your big time right. Oh, the next step ladder, we'll have that put away.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad they got it out of there. Everybody was looking for the keys. Where's the
Well, it looks like they got most of it now.
Yeah. Yeah. And said it home. Oh my gosh. Come right by. Yeah, me too. I know when the wind's blowing, we're 2 doors over, and it's blowing right towards our house too. So I was like, oh my God. Well, just be thankful that the guy across the street and the guy next to you got hoses out and immediately started hosing down your house before the fire department got here. They did. They were trying to put it out, and they actually probably put a big damper on it so it wasn't just completely engulfed in flames by the time these guys got here. Correct. It was, yes. So they both, yeah, the guy especially next to you was hosing home. Yeah. Yeah, you'll have to thank him because he was on. Thank you guys so much. Thank you.
Everything is, so they did have the full ceiling, so it's going there. Pictures on the wall should be talking about. Yeah, I think you're okay. Make sure. Yeah, no, I know it'll be fine. I didn't look too much. I think you'll be fine for now. Yeah, I think everything else. You'll be able to get in a little bit. Yeah, but yeah, so it is, yeah. It was up in the ceiling, so there's some significant damage.
So it had to have been electrical, probably.
But once the investigator hits your residence investigation, eventually, like, I can really get your person I actually did not know the same part. Just to go with this. You guys, most of the things are going to
the people on the other side of the house, and they just went inside. They're the ones that knocked on my door. So,
What's their name?
Roger,
Roger and Addie.
Pat. Oh yeah.
I'm probably going to come back and ask you maybe more questions, so don't run away.
Hi, Paul.
Ultimate of the kids, isn't it?
Yes, it does. Well, yeah, yeah.
Billy, you're just fine.